Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set enter key to send your message in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings and click on chats. Here you can see enter is sent. If you want to enable this, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to set enter key to send your message in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.